Hello, geometry students. So, our next part of this unit is about counterexamples. So whenever I have my statements, sometimes my statements can be true, but sometimes they can be false. So if my statement is false, a counterexample is an example that contradicts or proves the statement false. So a counterexample is an example that contradicts or proves a statement false. When given a counterexample, the hypothesis must remain true while the conclusion is the part being proven false. So again, when given a counterexample, the hypothesis must remain true while the conclusion is the part being proven false. So what that means is, if this is my example, if it can fly, then it is a bird. My hypothesis is that it can fly. My conclusion is it is a bird. So if I can say that this is not a true statement. The reason why I can say that is because it has to be something that can fly. My hypothesis has to be true. It just can't be a bird. So if it can fly, then it is a bird. No. A counterexample to that could be a plane. Why? Because a plane can fly, but it's not a bird. What I can't say is, well, a flamingo. Because a flamingo is a bird, but it doesn't fly. The first part must be true. The second part is the one you're proving false. So my hypothesis must be true. The conclusion is what I'm proving false. So again, another example. If it is a vegetable, then it is green. My hypothesis is it is a vegetable. The conclusion is it is green. So since this is not a true statement, I have to prove that this part still has to be true. It has to be a vegetable. It just can't be green. So I can say a carrot. What I couldn't say is, I couldn't say, well, some grapes are green and they're fruits. Again, it has to be a vegetable. It's just not green.